Ma'lama galong katong neni tinas chen dialner wala tiang ko banang yi katong nuara ka bayang yi ner na adaro katong nuara. Hello to all of you. I am here to teach you how to greet in Nuer, and I hope we all gonna have fun today. So let's go into the lesson. Greeting in Nuer or ner katok nuara. Okay, sometimes ner katok nas. Ner katok nas. Chada kagwadandang bakal. Greeting in Nuer has been categorized into five, actually six. Um, this has been categorized into six categories. So there are 6 ways you can greet in Nuer, not five. Forgive me with that spelling error. So there are 6 ways how to greet in Nuer. Tago gwas dang bakel ner der na tong Nuer. Gwas in Julian, or the first way is ner gwas nidial. Ner gwas nidial is a general greeting. What is a general greeting? General greetings are applied to any time of the day, and you can apply it to anyone. So it can be said by anybody to anybody. So any time of the day and to anyone. So ner was ideal or general greeting. So the second way you can greet is ner tagni. Ner tagni is timely greeting. What I mean here by timely greeting is these are what you use when you greet people in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So ner titi neri kene nal kurunwang kachangdar kene tiang. So 3 ways you can use this ner tangni ke timely greeting. The third ways to greet in Nuer is ner richni. Ner richni or greeting an age mate. When you want to greet an age mate, how do you greet an age mate in Nuer? Ner ndir ner neramiridu katong nas. Because ke video bibeno. Greeting age mate in Nuer has been categorized into different ways too. An age mate could be a boy greeting another boy, or it could be a girl greeting another girl. It could be a man greeting another man. It could be a woman greeting another woman. So there, how do you greet all these different kind of people in where? So ner ridni bejingi kener inde dol ener niride. Minder nyal ener niride. Minde wood ener niride. Kie minde mandong ener ni mandong mendong. Kia godong tere gondong mendong ner idi. Kia gondong bedere mandong mendong ner idi. Well, greeting an age mate, you can cross actually sexes here. That means a man as a woman who is an age mate to him. So it's not the same way you greet your age mate who is a male. So your age mate can be categorized into a male or a female. So there are different 2 ways of all these kind of age mate. So the fourth way how to greet in Nuer is Ner Ram Mi Deed. Ner Ram Mi Deed, or greeting an elder. How do you greet an elder person in Nuer? Here there are 2 ways you're going to learn. Greeting an elder person who is a male and greeting an elder person who is a female. So these 2 ways you're also going to learn. Ner ramidit chada kereo. Ramidit mi wood ke ramidit mi check. So kan gwas dang rawdi tiba bikenge ro mi jira metot no go ramidit mi jen geji biener. Now the sixth way is the reverse of the fourth one. So this is ner ramitot. This is now an elder person greeting a younger person. So how does an elder person or an older person greet a younger person? So we also going to learn this. This also has been categorized into 2. An elder person greeting a female younger person or a male younger person. These are different ways too. So the third one is ner dekaping. Ner dekaping is saying goodbye. You say goodbye in Nuer. This is what we're going to learn. And saying goodbye here it has connection with ner tagni, because say goodbye in the evening? How do you say goodbye in the afternoon? How do you say goodbye in the morning? These are the different ways. You can part, or you can say goodbye in Nuer. So three different kinds. It depends on the time of the day. And also it depends on whether you're saying goodbye to a group of people or you're saying goodbye to just one person. So now slides here is the first one which I'm going to take you through. So the first one here is Ner Guasnidial. So Ner Guasnidial here is the general greeting. Like I said before, what is the first one? What is that one thing that doesn't apply to any one time of the day or doesn't apply to just one person? So the first way to say is like hello. Hello can apply to anyone. It can apply to any time of the day. You can say hello in the morning, hello in the afternoon, hello in the evening. So it's the same thing with Nuer. Male. Male is general. Anybody can say male to anyone. Male means hello in English, and actually the literal translation is peace. Hello, male, peace, peace, male, or hello. So how do you respond to person that say male to you? You say male miga, male miga. What does that mean? It means hello to you. This is in response. When someone say hello, in English you just say hello, but hello to you or actually the literal translation is a good peace. When someone say peace to you, you say a good peace. You say a good what? A good peace. Then, or you can say Cheye Ner Kamal. Cheye Ner Kamal here is a plural. I mean, is a plural. So plural. That means you're greeting a group of people from two or more people. So two or more people here, when you say Cheye Ner Kamal, it means I greeted you in peace. Or sometimes if you're only saying to one person, you can say Chaji Ner Kamal. So Chaji Ner Kamal, Cha, yeah, here will change to G, Chaji, Chaji Ner Kamal. Chaji Ner Kamal mean I greeted you in peace. Then how do they respond? The same way. Male Miga. Male Miga. Then someone might say Amalteye. Amalteye here or actually, Amalteya mean peace unto you, or hello to you. Someone can just say hello to you or peace unto you. So Amalteya. But when you're saying this to one person, is Amalteji, Amalteji. You say this to a gathering or a group of people, actually more than two people. Plural. So how do they respond? Male miga, a good peace. Same way. This other slide here is going to show you all the different kind. When you're saying hello to one person, how does he respond to you when you're saying hello to a group? And it will actually tell you whether you're talking to a group of people or just to one person. Let me take my face off. And okay, now, and thank you so much and have a good day. That will be it for today. Thank you.